Hello. This is a software demo for OpenAthena for Android version 0.19 alpha. OpenAthena is some free and open source software which allows common drones to spot precise locations on Earth using merely their images. To begin, first we click on the button of a mountain to load a digital elevation model file, which stores the altitude of terrain for a given area of the Earth. These can be freely and easily obtained on the website opentopography.org. We can see that the software has loaded the elevation model file for a given area of the Earth. Next, we click on the button of a picture frame to load an image taken by any common drone of DJI, Parrot, Autel, or Skydio make. The software automatically obtains metadata within the image, which describes the properties of the camera and the location and orientation of the drone camera at the time the photo was taken. Finally, we can select any region of interest within the image to calculate a precise point on the ground which corresponds to it. This is done using our software's custom geodesy terrain raycasting engine. If we click on the Google Maps link which appears, it will show us the precise point it has calculated for that region of interest within the image. A common challenge with these consumer-grade drones is that their magnetometers don't always give the correct reading. Their compass sensor can be off by a couple of degrees if it has not been calibrated. To correct for this, new in version 0.19 is a configurable manual compass offset setting which allows the software operator to correct for any inaccuracies within the drone's metadata. I'm going to apply a correction of just a couple of degrees. And if we go back to the calculate screen, we can see that it has somewhat improved the location accuracy. For any future calculations on images taken during the same flight, we can be reasonably assured that they will be more accurate. Another new feature in 0.19 is a mathematical model which accounts for lens distortion caused by the properties of some common drone cameras. For this example, I'm going to load an image taken by a Skydio 2 drone. First I load the new elevation model file, and now I load the drone image. As we can see, the software provides a very accurate location resolution for any selected region of interest in the camera. The software contains a database of over 40 drone camera models with distortion parameters which describe how the lens affects light coming into the camera. If we select any other region of interest within the image, we can see that the software provides an accurate terrain location for whatever our selected point. This software is OpenAthena for Android. It is available free and open source on our website, openathena.com. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoy using the software, and thanks.